Good morning, guys. This is Phil with XLR8 Roofing and Construction. All right, guys, so our adjuster just left. He liked all the marks on here. We had over 60 impact marks on this roof, as you can see all the way across here. So he's going to fill out his report. Obviously, adjusters don't like to tell you their opinion. When you have over 60 hits on a roof, usually you're gonna get a full replacement. So we're gonna follow up with the customer. We've kind of moved away from the AOB and moved to a contingency. We want to develop trust with our customers, let them know that we're interested in doing the work. We try our best to help them facilitate the claim if they're interested in having us do so. Obviously this roof has some very interesting features here. Homeowner was just telling me that they have some heating and cooling issues, and we have off-ridge vents and ridge vents right next to each other, which is completely unnecessary. So we'll change that out when we do the install. And their AC loss inside the house, these older skylights, we'll put that in our bid as well to replace. This is Phil with XLR8 Roofing. I appreciate you watching our video. Hopefully this is something that was informative to you. So next time you have any damage due that is storm related and you need some help, we'd be happy if you give us a call. Thanks.